Hi, this is Francis Massen speaking from the Computarium. Today I want to show you how to do multiplication on a rather curious printing calculator, the EVEREST Multarapid S from about 1958. That's an Italian-made machine by Officine Serio in Crema, a town close to Milano. The machine is based on a two-spar mechanism, as most of these calculators are, but it's very curious if we look at the keys. You see that this machine not only has the usual round keys to be pressed in, but also a dial wheel, as found on a phone. What's missing is a zero hole, and we will see later how to do with that. This dial wheel is meant to be used to do automatical multiplication, and in a rather curious but easy to use way. I will show you with the first example. We want to multiply 12 times 8. 12 will be our multiplicand and 8 the multiplicator. Let's key in 12. And now comes a feature of this machine which asks us to add as many zeros to the multiplicand as the multiplicator has digits. This is a one-digit number, so we will add 1 0. Then we press this multiplication key and we'll dial simply 8. Moving this bar, we will make a total. And here is the result, 96. Okay, let's take a bigger number. Here the multiplicand is 25 and the multiplicator 205. So as the multiplicator has 3 digits, we have to add 3 zeros to the multiplicand. So I will key in 25 and take this key with the 3 zeros. Okay, now we will have to enter 205, and we will enter this number as if it were a phone number. We will start with 2, then 0, then 5. Now there is no 0 on the wheel, so 0 will be entered by pushing in this center 0 key. Let's start. 2, 0, and 5. And we are making the total. The result of this calculation is 5,125. You may check it with your electronic calculator. It's correct. Let's finish with a rather large multiplication. 1,235 times 9,876. This is the multiplicand, this is the multiplicator. The multiplicator has 4 digits, so when keying in the multiplicand we have to add 4 zeros. So let's start with 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 zeros I will key in 2 times the double zero. Now this has to be multiplied by 9876. I will push down this level and dial 9, 8, 7, and 6. And we are making the total. This is the result of the calculation a real big number, and again you may check with your electronic calculator if it's correct. On this printout you see here the numbers making the multiplicator, and 1, 2, 3, 4 here is the multiplicand. So to conclude, this is a curious machine. There were not many having this type of multiplying wheel, but it's very handy if you are used to using it, and it's also a bit nice to look at. The machine was in a bad state when we bought it at eBay, and we spent quite some time to restore the non-functional multiplying part. Okay, thank you for your attention.